Welcome to task 7. So now that you've sort of built out your cool e-commerce dashboard, and you've played around with your smart selection, and you've learned about components, you're probably going to want to export that file and maybe, look at it somewhere else, or maybe you want to show it to someone. And it's pretty straightforward. What I want you to do is I want you to actually paste your file here. I have mine, but I want you to export your own file just so you know what that's like. And what we're going to do is in the inspector menu, if you go down, you can see this export option here. So once I've selected my main object, I can now go and export it. And you have several different properties here. You have size, so there's different sizes that you can use. You have different file types like PNG, JPEG, SVG, PDF. You can export contents only. So basically what that means is if you have, what you can do is if you don't want it to export a background, it will not export the background. And then you can, which basically means it can have a clear background. And then you can actually export multiple files. So I can export a file that's 2 times bigger or 3 times bigger. I can export something that's a different file type. So maybe I want to export one as a PDF, one as a JPEG, and one as a PNG at different files. Just kind of a really nice feature that you can do that. For this particular tutorial, we're just going to export it at a one-time PNG. And just the way you do it is you just make sure that it's the correct preview, and then you're just going to select Export Main, figure out where on the screen you want it. And that should have exported, and then we're just going to go really quick and see if that actually worked. And then we have it. We've exported our file, and then now you can kind of share that screen with someone. Maybe you want to create a mock-up. A mock-up is kind of like a Photoshop document that you can put it on a phone, and then it can look like it's a real screen. And so just practice, exporting your screens, and then in the next tutorial, we're going to learn how to share. And sharing is a little bit different than exporting a file. So I just wanted to kind of quickly go over that. So yeah, pause the video and export all your files.